The GGS Smart Controller from Spider Farmer is designed for beginners and it controls basic devices like lights, fans, and clip-on fans. It also supports remote control through the app. Using the controller, you can manually adjust the light brightness. Here you can set the light's runtime, brightness, and simulate sunrise-sunset times. For example, if you set the sunrise-sunset time to 10 minutes, the light will gradually increase in brightness to your set level over the first 10 minutes after turning on, decrease to 0% brightness in the last 10 minutes before turning off. For the inline fan, you can set the operating speed and duration for automatic operation. Additionally, you can set the standby speed, so after the fan runs for a set duration, it will switch to a lower speed. For the clip fan, you can also adjust the operating speed and duration for automatic operation. Additionally, in natural wind mode, the fan will gradually increase its speed from the level 1 to the speed you've set and gradually decrease back to level 1.